from SummitGuitarSchool.com. Today I'm teaching you Graves into Gardens from Elevation Worship and Brandon Lake. It's in standard tuning. You're going to need a capo at the 4th fret. If you don't have one, there's a link in the description below. Also, it's in 6/8 time, so I'll break down that key strumming pattern. It's one of those patterns that you have to know to be able to play any song on the guitar. So with that said, let's get started. Do me a favor, if you enjoyed this video and you learned something, hit like and subscribe. We appreciate the support. Follow the links in the description. Head over to the website and subscribe to our newsletter for a free lesson once a month. I will not spam you, I promise. And like us on Instagram and Facebook. Let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about the chords we need for this song. It's standard tuning, capo at the 4th fret, okay? If you don't have a capo, there'll be a link to one in the description below. And you're going to start with a G. Everyone should know this one, or if you don't, it's 3rd fret, 2nd, open, open, 3rd fret, 3rd fret. That's middle finger, index, open, open, 3rd finger, pinky. Alright, and then we're going to do a C add 9. You can also do a regular C. So C add 9 keeps it real simple throughout the song. It's the exact same shape as your G. You're just going to drop your index and middle finger down towards the floor, 1 string each. Alright, that's middle finger, index, open, 3 and 3. So when you switch from that, you don't have to even move 3 and 4. It's an easy transition. So I'm going to teach it that way today. I do like the sound of the C, regular C chord too. So if you're feeling that, you can do that. That's 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open, 1st fret, open. That's 3, 2, open, 1, open. You strum from the 5th string down on that. On the C add 9, you strum from the 5th string down as well. Okay, so then you've got an E minor. I'm going to do an E minor 7th because, yeah, let's make it sound a little bit cooler. Since it's kind of the same thing the whole time. All right, so open, 2nd fret, 2nd fret. All right, that's 2nd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th, and either your 3rd finger or your pinky on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. All right, that gives it a little bit more oomph right there. Okay. And then you've got a D. That's open, 2, 3, 2. Just like that. And then that is literally all the chords to this song. All right, guys? Okay, so let's talk about the strumming pattern we need for this song. It's in 6/8. So this strumming pattern I'm about to show you guys is one of the key kind of pillar strumming patterns you need to know to be able to strum through any song that you want, all right? It doesn't have to be worship. It doesn't have to be specific to any genre, all right? It's specific to a time signature, and this is used fairly frequently, not nearly as much as 4/4, but this is one of the ones you need to memorize like the back of your hand, create that muscle memory so that when you hear it, you recognize it, and you can just pick up your guitar and figure out that pattern. So we're going to get a G, and it's this. Here's the pattern. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's the pattern. I'll count the beats too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you notice I'm strumming harder on beats 1 and 4 if you're paying attention there. So it's strong, weak, weak, strong, weak, weak. That's a 6/8 pulse. Strong, weak, weak, strong, weak, weak. So down, 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 down. So I'm doing strong on beat 1 and strong on beat 4, and then a lighter on 2 and 3 and then 5 and 6. And so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that. So for our verse in our intro, it's the same thing for the first bit anyway. So let's break it down. So you've got a G. You're going to go down, down, up, down, 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 down. All right, so that's also the bridge, all right? So your intro and your first part of the verse is the same thing as your entire bridge, or at least the first half of it. So let's do that again. So it's G, down, up, down, up, down. Second measure, C, 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 G. I'm doing 1, 4, 5, 6, back to G, 2. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. 4, 5, 6, and you're in your verse, which is the same thing. So your verse starts after 2 times through the G, G, C, G, and then you've got verse, same thing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. stay on G the second time. 4, 5, 6, E minor 7th, D, C add 9 for 2 measured. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G, 2, 3. G again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E minor 7th. D. C at 9. That takes you straight into your chorus. All right, big strums here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Better than you. E minor. Second time through, G, 2, 3, 4, 5. Better than you, there's nothing. Better than you, there's nothing. 1, 2, 3, better than you. And then it does that same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're back into the next verse. Sorry, my voice it's like early here, and I'm just like hammering through this. So it does another verse and another chorus, and then after that second time through the second chorus, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 into the bridge, 2, and I'm gonna go all down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the vibe for the bridge there, because he's just kind of hammering it. So after that second time through the second chorus, you're like G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, C, 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 G, 2. Then he does it again, a little instrumental. 1, 2, 3. Then it's just G. 4, 5. Does that all again, all right? And then after the third time through on that bridge, he goes E minor, 1 who can. Then he tags the only one who can. Then a down chord. Better than you, oh, there's nothing. Better than you, oh, there's nothing. Back to that same strumming pattern. And he'll do it again all the way through another verse, and then he'll build back into another bridge. And the last time through that bridge, he does it twice on that second bridge. He does 2 extra tags. So it's nothing is, oh, see, sorry, I did that wrong. So E minor, 1 who can. The first tag, the only one who can. That's the first tag, and then last time, who can. So he'll go back into the one more chorus, down chorus there, and then into another big bridge, but he does it twice. And the second ending of that big bridge, it'll be 2 tags. So the only one who can. First tag, only one who can. Second tag, only one who can. All right. And then they do like C, G, C, 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 G. Then they go into it again. But if you're playing it at church or for your own enjoyment, you're not going to play it for 10 minutes. Or maybe you are. If you are, awesome. That's how you play this song.